Hey friends, welcome to TechyVia. Today I will explain everything you need to know about Replit, how it works, what features are included, and whether it really worth using or not. Let's start with basics and then I will do a hands-on demo in second half. So, what is Replit? Replit is an online tool where you can write code directly in your browser. You don't need to install anything on your laptop. You can build, test, and even launch apps all in one place. It's great for students, beginners, or anyone who wants to code easily from any device. There are many reasons why people like Replit. No setup needed, just open and start coding. And you can code with friends in real time. It works on laptop, tablets, and even phones. And it has everything built in compilers, debuggers, and tools also. So, if you are someone who doesn't want to waste time on installations, Replit is super helpful. Let's look at main features Replit gives us. First thing, AI agent. This helps us to write or fix code. Core AI models like Claude, GPT Mini. If you buy the core plan, instant deployment. Your app goes live with one click. Other tools like databases, APIs, and project templates. So as it's not just an editor, it's a full coding workplace. So if you do, now let's talk about what you can build Replit. Web apps like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, AI tools like chatbots or smart apps using APIs. Full stack apps, front end and back end together. Mini projects, good for learning or quick tests. So whether you are learning or building real apps, Replit can handle it. Now let's move to hands-on. So let's start with pricing. So this is starter free version where you will get agent trial, 10 development apps and public apps only. And for monthly, we will have $25 per month. If you take yearly, you will get $20 per month and bill annually. So if you see monthly plan, which is around $20 to $25, you will get full Replit agent access and $25 of monthly credits and unlimited public or private apps, access to Claude Sonnet 4 and GPT-4o Mini. Deploy and host live apps, pay as you go for additional usage. You will get this, and this is for teams. If you're working as a team, this is for a single developer. So let's log in. We'll do continue with starter and start creating. So this is the full UI. Here you can, if you click create app, you can create an app using a prompt. You can give prompt here. Here you can choose how you want to build an app, like using a Python web app, which is Flask or Django or Streamlit or React and Node.js. You can select this and you will have some templates also. You can select templates here and then you will have if you can see if you do any deployments, it will show here. Here you can see usage. You can add your teammates here, bounties, templates. Okay, that's all. Okay, now we will create a simple app. Just we will give a prompt. Now we will create a simple app using we will get the app prompt from ChatGPT. Okay, I am giving this prompt. So we will have this. Okay, this is enough. Just a sample. Okay, you just copy paste here and start chat. So it will start creating the app. In the meanwhile, so it will make an implementation plan and it will come up with a plan and it will ask your approval. So it's an agent, not an AI chatbot. Okay. So in the meanwhile, okay. So it's doing so fast. We will wait for a second. See, it will come up with the initial version, a Flask web application for stock analysis, and it will show all the features it is going to build. And if you want any features to add, you can just click keep chatting. I will just say enhance it more. We'll just wait for a second. It will come up with another plan. Okay, in the meanwhile, I will go to Replit Core. So this is Replit Core version. So here we can do import code or design. I will show this one. So I am going to import using GitHub. So I am going to import this one, import from GitHub. So maybe it will take some time. We'll go to this other one. See here it come up with another plan. I will just click approve and start. So it will start building that one. We will see this core one. So it import it. So when you import any code base, like your app is in GitHub or Lovable or Bolt, if you import, you have to give the dependencies for the app. So here it has selected some. I want to add some Google Cloud tools, and I used Python 3.10 for that. So I will download this Python, and then so I will remove this Python 3.12, and that's it. I'll do confirm and close. So it will install all the dependencies. So that's it. After this, so here when you import a project from GitHub or any other third party like Lovable or Bolt, you don't get an agent here. If you see, I will search for an agent, it won't be there. So you will get one assistant. See, this is the assistant in which you will have GPT 4o Mini and Claude 4o, which costs around 5 cents per edit request. So I will ask this to install all dependencies y.txt. Okay, it will just do the job. It will take some time maybe. We will go through. We'll go to this first. This is creating all the files that is needed for this app. If you come here, so we'll have one console and we will have one shell also. Like if you want to push your code or pull your code, if you want to do anything in the like in terminal, you can do it here in shell. See, it is showing some error. I will just say resolve the error. I will just say this one. So it will do. Okay, I think there is some conflict here. I will just go here. Okay, I will remove one. Okay, now it will take care of that. So in the meanwhile, I will take one duplicate. So this is how agent will work, and you will have one basic one. You can just ask questions. It won't do the edit. Okay, now I will show how the agent will work in core version. So I will open this app. So before one we imported it from GitHub, right? This one I didn't import it from anywhere. I created this from scratch in Replit only, using a prompt and using all the prompts. Like I do so many prompts, some edits, everything. So this is the app. So this is working so good. Agent is good, I can say, but it will cost you more. You can see here, this is one edit, like checkpoint made. If you see here, the agent usage, it is costing around $0.42. Like each edit, it will cost you 0.37. So if the edit is not useful, also it will cost you. So for each prompt you give, each edit you give, you have to take care, because it will cost you around $0.50. So agent is good, but it will cost you more. And if you want to build using assistant, it is difficult. Like it is not working that much fine. Currently I am using Cursor for development, which is so better than this. So if you are having a old project and you want to develop or enhance it more using Replit, I won't suggest this Replit core version also. Like if you are building a new app, I will suggest this, and it will cost you more. Like $25 is not enough. If I go to my usage, so I will just go to home and usage. See, for this cricket app, it cost me around $15. If you see here, agent usage $15.91. Assistant usage is just $2. Like assistant won't work good also. Like it can be good for small tasks, and when you give a prompt, you have to be specified with everything so that it can work good. Like if I compare between Cursor and Replit, Cursor is so good. So we will go to the first one. We gave prompt, right? So still this is going on. So you can deploy here directly also, and you have database. We have your database also. You can directly link the DB here, or else you can link with external DB and you give the credentials to this Replit. It will safely store your credentials in secret and use it. Okay, it is taking time. So my final conclusion is, as I said before, I can say it strictly. If you are building a new app and you can afford some dollars for it, go with Replit. It is fine. It is working good. The agent is working so good. If you have old project, you have to import and you have to work on it. Replit is not good for that. I will suggest go with Cursor. It is a free also. Cursor is free. You can take pro version to have money. Free is also fine. So now you can see the app is built. So if you can see here, the agent usage, it cost it around $1.95. So you have to read this, what it has done first, and then see the UI. Let me expand it. So this is the UI, how it makes. Like if you have an idea of some website or an app you want to build, so you can just build the MVP using Replit easily. After that, for more features, you have to work yourself, and or else you can take AI help for that. So this is the app it built. You can customize it. You can give commands and customize each and everything and every box. So for now, everything is working fine. Like later, you can customize. That's it from my side. And if you want to take Replit Core, for now we have one offer. Like for some accounts, it is there. They are giving $10 off. So I take the subscription for $15 only. And that's it. We saw how to create a project on Replit, tested the AI agent, and even deploy the app live from all the browsers. Now you know exactly how Replit works and whether it's the right tool for you. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to TechyVia for more honest tech guides, and let me know in the comments what tool I should review next. Thanks for watching. Take care. I will see you in the next one.